Taiwan cherry is one springtime showstopper. Just look at these gorgeous flamingo pink flowers. Boy, they are just popping in the landscape. Taiwan cherries typically bloom around January into February, and this one here is just in full bloom. Now this is a small tree growing to about 20 foot in height and about 20 foot wide. One of the drawbacks about Taiwan cherries is that they're short-lived. They only live for about 10 to 15 years, but that is just long enough to enjoy their beauty. Now, these flowers will make way for fruit that the birds just love later on, and as you can see, this is a deciduous tree. It drops its leaves in the wintertime, and then we have flowers on these naked branches that are just so gorgeous. Now, another attractive feature about the Taiwan cherry is its bark. A beautiful gray color with some light gray striping will always indicate that this is a Prunus species. Now this is Prunus campanulata, Taiwan cherry, and as the name signifies, comes from southern China. There's also a hybrid cherry called Okami that is also common. These are more heat tolerant, so they do well in the south. And if you're lucky enough to get your hands on them, you should go ahead and plant one. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.